What's going on, guys? Zeno here, and today I am going to be doing a battle with the two bays that I've created. Royal Drahken versus Fusion Drahken to see who is the better Drahken. And at the end, I will do Drahken. I will do Hydra Drahken against Royal Drahken to see if it can beat it. Combos. So yeah, let's get into the battles. Alright, here we go. Round one. Okay. Malfunction with the camera. Okay, round one. Okay. First is the camera, now you Drahken roll. Okay, round one. Okay. These bays wants to give me first. The camera wants to give me problem. Now the bays themselves wants to. Alright. So let's try that again. Round one. Dang. Okay. Fusion Drahken takes that point. First to 5 points win, by the way. And that's 3 points. Okay, here we go. Dang, I didn't think this was going to be a short video. Alright, here we go. Okay, either this one goes out or this one goes out. Either or needs to stop. Okay, there we go. Nice hit and a burst finish. That is 5 points directly. Not even one. Okay, so now I'm going to fuse Drahken and Hydra. And I will be right back. I'm back. Here we are. Hydra Drahken. So now we're going to see if it can get burst. Here we go. Okay, that was my fault. I did it too close to the pocket. Dang! Drahken just getting demolished out here. There we go. The fusion is now. Royal Drahken has been defeated. And so has my leg because it fell asleep. Ah, okay. Well, actually, I'm going to do one more fusion. And it's just a regular fusion that anyone can do if they have these parts. So I will be right back. Alright, so the next fusion I have done is Grand Valkyrie. 8 glaive power. I'll put it against the fusion. I'll do one battle because my leg is literally falling asleep and it's starting to hurt. So yeah, so here we go. One battle. Oh, shoot. stamina wise. Okay. Well, I'm gonna end the video here. Like if you enjoyed the video, first that subscribe and bell icon. Comment down below what you think of the video and what you think about Drahken getting destroyed. Royal Drahken getting destroyed by the newer one. I got a Discord, so if you want to join, I'll put a link in the description down below. Yeah. Rest in peace, Royal Drahken. Hello, the new awakening, Curse Bay. Fusion Drahken. This is Zeno signing out. Have a wonderful, fantastic day.